Been sleeping in this barn for decades, but this Packard is coming back today.
Cash is ready. Let's pull this old Packard out right now.
The 1407 12 Sport Phaeton, a relic of unparalleled luxury, waiting patiently beneath the dust of time. Found resting in the quiet solitude of the barn, this magnificent machine represents the pinnacle of pre-war luxury. A timeless classic begins the long road home, rescued from the ravages of time.
Куда ставим-то?
Вон, на 4-й подъемник.
Okay, just a little bit more, keep it straight. Stop right there.
As you can see, the underside tells the real story. This caked grease and the extensive rust on the linkages mean we have our work cut out for us. The 1936 Packard 1407, a symbol of pre-war luxury. Here, stripped of its...
Removing the side mount requires patience, especially with these original bolts. The weight of the assembly is considerable.
Careful now, easy does it.
All right, clear on this side. Let's set it down. The challenge with the 1407 is the intricate grille work. Once removed, it exposes the extent of the corrosion on the radiator and these support brackets.
The front bumper and overriders of the 36 Packard 12, meticulously arranged for restoration.
You have to be incredibly careful with these old cloth wires. One slip and you've got a short.
This Packard's original top shows significant UV damage. We're seeing classic dry rot and brittle threads where the fabric meets the bows.
Okay, pull it clear.
Heavy. All right, it's down.
Here we see the bare bones of the Packard, the original wooden supports and the floor pans showing decades of wear.
As we track along the side, the white strip lights reveal the true complexity of the 1407's design, from the linkage rods to the aged insulation.
This is always the hardest part with the old Packards. You really have to wiggle it just right to clear the column. And there we have it, another 12 out of the 1407.
This chrome grille from the iconic 1936 Packard 1407 tells a story of craftsmanship and time.
Every single piece of this 1936 Packard 1407 is accounted for, laid out in a precise inventory map before the restoration can begin. This 1936 Packard dashboard reveals the hand-built nature of these classic cars. Look at the exposed mount points here.
The high-pressure wash begins, revealing the original cream yellow paint beneath decades of grime.
Preserving the classic lines of this 1936 Packard requires a delicate touch, achieved here with a blanket of thick, luxurious snow foam.
This magnificent 1936 Packard, the 12 Sport Phaeton, the key to restoring the classic white wall is meticulous cleaning, allowing the foam to lift decades of grime and reveal the pristine rubber beneath. We use high-pressure water to strip away the years of accumulation, revealing the original stamped steel underneath. The pressurized water removes decades of barn grime from this stunning 1936 Packard, revealing the craftsmanship beneath. The fire of this 1936 Packard is getting the attention it deserves. Meticulous scrubbing reveals the original cream yellow beneath decades of grime.
We start by flooding the floor pans, brushing the debris towards the drains. It's a careful process, ensuring that we're looking at the rear differential of the Packard 1407. We start scrubbing, and you can see the grease dissolving.
Here we see the accumulation of nearly 90 years of dust and grime. The pressurized cleaner lifts it away, revealing the original factory sheen. This magnificent V12, the heart of the Packard, is finally revealing its original luster thanks to the precision of the steam. The pressurized water strips away the rust dust and old padding, revealing the intricate metalwork underneath.
Here we see the specialized high-pressure wash, making quick work of the caked-on mud inside the arch.
Here we see the second application of foam on the Packard's chassis, ensuring every crossmember is thoroughly cleaned.
The magnificent Packard 12, a true testament to pre-war luxury, getting the rinse it deserves.
As you can see, the polish begins to activate, turning slightly dark as it lifts the contaminants. This is crucial for achieving that mirror finish.
Even on this pristine example, the passage of time is evident. But with careful work, the original shine of this a clean surface is paramount. The pressurized water highlights the crisp seams of this magnificent machine before the primer is applied. The solvent gently loosens decades of carbon buildup, preparing these vintage components for the next stage of restoration. Using a fine brush, we carefully clear the passages, revealing the original brass tones beneath the grime. We'll continue the flush until the dark residue is completely gone and the water runs clear, ensuring the system is clean. We use soft bristles around the drain holes and reinforcement ribs, ensuring the soap penetrates the crevices without harm.
This is the clean slate. 1,000 parts, organized with clinical precision, awaiting reassembly.
The plasma cutter allows us to make a clean break without damaging the surrounding chassis.
We're applying a very thin skim coat here. It's crucial to follow the lines of the bodywork exactly to maintain the car's original profile. This 12-cylinder engine, the heart of the Packard 1407, reveals its secrets under the sterile light. Note the wear on the old gaskets. The sheer scale of the Packard's 12-cylinder crank is evident here. We meticulously inspect each journal and...
To restore this rare Packard engine, we use a cylinder hone to achieve the ideal crosshatch finish, critical for oil retention and piston life.
Restored to their original glory, these pistons are the heart of the Packard 12.
The assembly begins with the careful placement of the main bearings before the massive V12 crankshaft is gently lowered into the block.
Slowly, slowly. We are almost there.
Perfect. Now let's get those bolts secured.
The 1936 Packard 12 engine represents the pinnacle of American engineering, now restored to its original mechanical dignity.
Here we see the freshly reconditioned suspension arms, complete with new bushings and a precise factory-spec coating.
Getting the tension just right on the castle nut requires the right tool. We torque it down precisely before inserting the cotter pin. We use the guide coat to ensure the surface is perfectly flat. The dark powder remains in the low spots.
Once a symbol of opulence, this bare metal shell is prepared for the meticulous priming process in a clinical environment.
We're laying down the first coat of epoxy, crucial for long-term adhesion and durability.
A car this rare demands absolute perfection. The wet sanding process is crucial for that mirror finish. The key to a flawless finish is in the preparation. This creamy pigment must be stirred until absolutely uniform.
The first color pass begins, a delicate cream yellow settling smoothly over the Packard's body shell, captured here in stunning 4K detail.
Rescued from decades of neglect, this sport phaeton has been reborn in stunning cream yellow.
This flood coat application is critical, sharpening the reflections and deepening the pale cream yellow finish.
Here we see the bare metal of the Packard wheel, meticulously cleaned and ready for its new coat of red paint.
Meticulous attention was put to the 1936 Packard's wire spoke wheels. The rich red paint returns, coated even.
The 1936 Packard 14 American design. Now,
the key was finding materials that respected the original design. This beige leather and the polished walnut trim
We're almost there. Check the rear mount.
Just needs a tap with the pry bar.
Perfect.
Easy now, just a few more millimeters on your side.
Got it. Looks perfect here.
Nicely done. It's seated.
Okay, easy now. Just a millimeter lower.
Got it.
There we are. Spot on. The rear fenders of this magnificent 1936 Packard 1407 12 Sport Phaeton slide smoothly into This stunning example of the 1407-12 showcases the exquisite craftsmanship of the era. The final fit of the bumper is crucial for the car's dignified stance. This 36 Packard demands perfection. And with the final torque applied, the Packard settles onto its iconic rolling form once more. A true resurrection of automotive history. All right, hold it steady right there.
Got it. Let me just tighten this down.
Meticulously fastened, the new tan canvas completes the Packard silhouette, a testament to timeless design and craftsmanship. Restoring a vehicle of this caliber requires unparalleled dedication, ensuring every detail from the sweep.
And here she is, the magnificent 1936 Packard 1407. Rolling arrows and into the sunlight.
The 1936 Packard, a masterpiece of American engineering, truly shines on these sweeping country roads.
The 1936 Packard, specifically the 1407-12, was a masterpiece of its time. And
this magnificent 1936 Packard 12 Sport Phaeton truly embodies the elegance of the pre-war era, especially when viewed from this angle.
The 1936 Packard 12, a true marvel of engineering, takes its final, elegant pass down this sun-drenched country road.
If you want to see more legendary restorations, stay with SK Restorations.
Tell us which classic should be brought back next.